Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best liquid detergent for washing machine you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many liquid detergent for washing machine and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each liquid detergent for washing machine so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Key things to consider when buying a liquid detergent for washing machine. First, check if the detergent is designed for your machine type, such as front load or top load, because using the wrong one can affect washing performance. Next, consider the detergent's formula. Look for one that dissolves easily in water and removes stains without leaving residue. Also, think about fabric care. Choose a mild detergent that protects colors and softness. Fragrance and hypoallergenic options matter too, especially for sensitive skin or baby clothes. Concentration is another point. Concentrated detergents use less product per wash, saving money. Finally, consider environmental impact by choosing biodegradable or eco-friendly options that reduce pollution. By focusing on machine compatibility, cleaning power, and eco-friendliness, you can make a smarter choice for clean and fresh laundry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.